Tomato puree tubes.
Well, I always recycle them. So as aluminium, I assume that they're going to get pulled out and recycled as an aluminium foil. But is that right?
Yeah, I'd definitely recycle them. I mean, they are basically aluminium. I think they've got a little plastic liner in because tomato puree is quite acidic, so it'll corrode the aluminium. So I think they've got a little plastic liner. That's the same as a drinks can. I don't know if we've talked about that before. We'll talk about that on another day. Again, online, like the Guinness can, there was lots of talk of cutting them open, rinsing them out. I mean, sorry if I'm offending the aluminium industry here. I would not bother. I think it's a waste of water, and I think it's creating a hazard. I personally would just put the lid back on, and just make sure. I think one of the things that is tempting to do with tomato puree tubes is to like roll them up and make them really small. Yeah, well, I think that's worth doing to get the food out. But I think when you're recycling them again, I would keep them tube shaped as much as you can.
Okay, unfurl them so that they're actually quite big and can be picked up or seen and
I think that's what I would do, yeah. And again, everyone was talking about taking the lid off. I'm just not sure I'd bother. I think I'd keep the lid on to stop it contaminating other food. I think it's just going to get taken out of the process. It's too small to get recycled anyway.